Imagine being thrust into a time where survival hinged on raw strength and ruthless instincts. In this unforgiving era, a 21st century individual like you would face unimaginable challenges that could shatter your modern sensibilities. You would quickly discover that the comforts of your life are stripped away, replaced by the constant threat of illness, starvation, and ruthless justice at the hands of lords and ladies who wield absolute power. With no access to modern medicine, even a small wound could lead to a painful death, while the threat of being accused of witchcraft or treason hangs ominously in the air. In this harsh reality, every day would be a struggle for survival, where even the simplest tasks become monumental challenges, leaving little room for the comforts and conveniences you take for granted. The consequences of failure were severe, with public executions serving as brutal reminders of the law's grip, as knowledge of herbs and witchcraft could either save you or seal your fate. Amidst the dreary existence, tales of hidden treasures inspire hope, and the thrill of adventure driving brave souls to embark on perilous quests in search of fortune and glory. With every step into the darkness, the promise of treasure ignites a fire within, leading to the heart of the unknown, where danger lurks in every shadow, testing the courage of those daring enough to seek it. As the clash of steel fills the air, the stakes rise higher. The promise of unimaginable wealth becomes a battlefield for both heart and mind, as every decision could lead to triumph or disaster. Emerging from the depths, triumph fills the air as tales of victory spread like wildfire, transforming the once grim village into a haven of hope and revelry, where every heart beats to the rhythm of newfound fortune. In this moment of riches, dreams once thought impossible become tangible, uniting friends and strangers alike as they gather to share stories of adventure, forging bonds that would last a lifetime.